Email marketing is one of the most lucrative forms of online marketing out there, with an average return on investment of $42 for every $1 spent. But if you're new to the field and you're feeling a bit lost, that is totally normal. Hi, I'm Samantha, content creator here at Brevo, and in today's video, we'll walk you through email marketing as well as give you a few tips to get you started. But you may be wondering, what even is email marketing? Email marketing is a direct marketing channel. It lets you get in touch with the contacts in your contact list directly. There are many different types of campaigns you can send, from promotional campaigns to informational campaigns, or even re-engagement campaigns. But why should you even send them in the first place? It's no secret that email marketing offers a wide range of benefits. For one thing, email can be personalized to a greater degree than other channels, such as social media. Email can also be sent at a lower cost compared to other channels. Furthermore, email marketing can help you achieve key business objectives. This can be driving sales, building brand awareness, or even just engaging customers. To make your campaigns a success, there are many different tips you can follow. Here's tip number 1, use double opt-in. Double opt-in is when you send a confirmation email to each new subscriber. They'll have to click on the link in the email in order to confirm their subscription. This is helpful because 1, it helps you improve your email's deliverability. It also helps you avoid things like spam traps, as well as get proof of your subscribers' consent. On to tip number 2, send targeted campaigns. You can do this using contact segmentation. Simply segment your contacts by things like location, target customers based on where they are, or other demographics such as age. You can also target them based on preferences. Simply ask them what kind of content they want to receive and how often. Finally, target customers by engagement. Target the ones who have demonstrated the most interest in your brand. Here's tip number 3, use personalization. It's really hard to stand out in a crowded inbox these days, and one of the best ways to do this is with personalization. So add something like your contact's first name in the subject line or the preview text or the actual email itself. This is really easy in Brevo. Simply enter a contact's attribute and Brevo will put it in automatically. If you want to take it a step even further, you can even personalize how the different blocks appear in your email. So say you're promoting an event. If the subscriber has already bought tickets to the event, simply put a block that says thank you. But if they haven't, personalize the block so that you actually put a promotional block so that you can actually get them to buy the tickets for your event. On to tip number 4, optimize the preview text. So the preview text is the line of text that appears directly below the subject line in the email service provider. You'll want to make sure that the two pieces of text are working together to drive the reader to action. So if you just send your email normally, your email service provider will just pull the beginning of your email in the preview text. But if you have things like images or links, this could be a bit of an issue. So make sure you customize the preview text directly in your email marketing platform. This is super easy in Brevo. Once you create your campaign, simply go to Edit Subject, and from there, you'll be able to edit both your subject line and your preview text. Tip number 5, use A/B testing. Email marketing tools can let you test a variety of things like the subject line, the CTA buttons, and the actual email content itself. So use A/B testing to really see what works best with your audience. This can help you boost things like the click-through rate and the open rates, as well as just help you improve your email marketing strategy moving forward. Tip number 6, scale your email marketing efforts with automation. One example is to send an automated series of emails to welcome new subscribers. That way, you're starting your new relationship off on the right foot. With Brevo, it's super easy to send automated emails. We offer a variety of pre-built workflows. That way, you're sure to send the right message to the right person at the right time. Tip number 7, make sure your emails look great on any device using responsive design. This is especially important these days because a lot of people are opening their emails on their phones. So with Brevo, it's actually really easy to preview how your email will look on different screens. Simply go to the drag and drop editor, and that way you'll see how your email will look directly on desktop and mobile. Tip number 8, make the most out of your transactional emails. These are things like order receipts and delivery confirmations, and they actually have an open rate of about 8 times more than normal marketing emails, so you don't want to let this opportunity go to waste. In addition to the key information, don't be afraid to add things like product recommendations or promote future sales. That way, you also use your transactional emails to build stronger customer relationships. Tip number 9, don't wait for your email list to be too big before you start sending out your campaigns. That's because there's no right number of subscribers to have to actually start sending out your emails. Don't be afraid to send it out as soon as you have even just a handful of subscribers. That way, you're fulfilling on your promise to them to actually send your emails, and you're also starting to build customer relationships. On to our final tip, tip number 10, and that's keep your email lists clean. This can help improve bounce rates, your own sender reputation, as well as just build better customer relationships. One way to do this is by running a re-engagement campaign. Bring them back with things like exclusive discount codes or free email content, or simply purge your inactive subscribers. In Brevo, search for inactivity for any given period. From there, you can delete any subscribers who have not engaged with your emails recently. And that's it for today's video. What about you? Do you have any marketing tips that you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.